look at my crotch. 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 Yay!
On this lonely road, trying to make it home, doing it by my lonesome, pissed off who wants some. I'm fighting for my soul. God, get at your boy. You try to go, God, fall back. I go hard on this lonely road, trying to make it home, doing it by my lonesome, pissed off who wants some.
I see them long, hard times to come.
So what's up, everybody? I know, right? A fucking motovlog from Hollarmoto? What the fuck is really going on? Well, it's actually a decent day. I think it's like 48 degrees, supposed to hit 50, 53, but that's wrong. It's actually like 212. I don't think we're gonna get that high, but it's not that bad. The wind going down my sleeves is cold. But yeah, what the fuck ever, you know, get the bike out. Either I'm gonna get rid of it or I'm not, so I might as well ride it while I still have it, right? Well, it's 2020. It's actually February. Hell, it's almost the end of February. I know I've made a few truck vlogs and been in a hangout or two. Mine and then Captain Granite's, and of course I've been in Prairie Boys and Rockets, 2 ATVs. You know, of course, every year I say it's the last video of the year, I'm going to put up a bunch of fucking live streams and shit, and I never really do it. Usually only do about one, and that's it. One and done. Yep, that's the way I want to go. Don't make me miss this green light, you cocksuckers. They made me miss the green light. Of course they fucking did, fucking assholes. But yeah, 2020. I know some of y'all are having a really good year so far. Some of y'all having a not so good year so far. Mine is hit and miss, hit and miss. Only bad thing about wearing a full face helmet, I can't blow snot rockets when my nose is running. Yep, there's that handlebar shake. You know, if I decide to keep this bike, I probably ought to fix that. I hate not riding with one fucking hand. Probably not the best idea for me to be out riding. It is. These roads are very fucking slick, to be honest with you. I've already had to go to the gas station. That's where I actually started the video after I left the gas station. But just going through the neighborhood, we still got a lot of salt and sand on the roads because, I mean, we've still been getting snow and shit. I know there's none on the ground right now, but hit a couple corners and it's like spin out almost. Like, wow, that's pretty slick. I did re-inflate my tires before I left and probably put a little bit too much in them. Whatevs, it'll be alright. Oh. Yes, I am wearing my chaps, wearing my leather jacket. I don't normally do that, but it's cold out. This is actually the first time I've used this Icon airflyte in the fucking cold, and it's actually doing pretty goddamn good. But hopefully all my cameras are working. I got the floorboard camera, I got the crop shot camera, and got this one. I know this one probably already throwing a fit. It ain't been wanting to shut off. I need to be in that lane. Like I was testing it earlier before I put it on the helmet. This fucking GoPro 7 is just a pile of fucking shit, man. I really wish I would have got the Session 5 and just used it as a vlogging camera instead. I mean, fuck, this thing has all the same features as that, but regardless, it is what it is. Hopefully everybody's been having a pretty good winter. Mine hasn't been too horribly bad. I had a separate notepad for all winter long. I had it sitting on my desk, and so every time I could think of an idea for a motovlog, I would write it down. and I have this many ideas. I don't know if I'm just kind of coming to the end of it or what. I mean, it's always just been a hobby anyways. Most people ask for the drag racing videos, not the regular vlogs. And I mean, if I can't go drag racing, I can't make them videos. Or if I can't get races when I do go. And the drag racing videos will most likely come to an end if I get my dream bike. If I don't get my dream bike, I'll probably still keep drag racing, but my dream bike won't hold up to the drag racing. Roll racing, yes. Drag racing, no. And since I don't roll race, because I think that's for people that don't know how to fucking drag race, now this racing video is probably done with. Unless I get a secondary bike to drag race on. Alright, that vet is pissing me off. Whoa, that's slick. Fuck me, I'm tired of people already. They already pissing me off. So how many of y'all are excited about 20? Fuck, I hate vlogging at a goddamn red light. I'm just gonna wait. I'm gonna shut up till I get to go again. So how many of y'all are excited about 2020? Everybody got big plans? I think I've got 2 big plans. One is like 99.9% happening. The other one is like 50% happening. We'll see. I really honestly am out of shit already to talk about, and I didn't even talk about anything. More along the lines of rambling. But whatever, right? Isn't that what we're supposed to do? Ramble? We're supposed to have topics. Regardless, first video of the year. Try to get in some fucking scrapes for little road rash, but I'm going the wrong way. I don't know if I trust getting my bike down that low or not. These roads being salty. Well, why the fuck are you gonna get in the right hand lane and then turn on your fucking blinker? Fucking idiots! Fuck, I hate people. I hate them so much. Let's go! Well, I think I've rambled on long enough. There's really nothing left for me to talk about. Anybody got any ideas for this year? Let me know. I'm sure I can come up with something, but I always like the input of my subs of what they would like to see, even though y'all motherfuckers never give me any ideas. But yeah, leave me some ideas. What might you want to see on the Hollarmoto channel this year? Holy fuck, boys, look at this shit. Oh, if I go down this road up here, I get some scrapes for a road rash. I couldn't find my winter gloves. All I could find were my alpines. Oh, wait, I was about to end the video. Do not forget to hit that subscribe button if you want to. Don't forget to hit that little bell button notifications so it might tell you if I load up or not, because, you know, YouTube. Don't forget to go over to Instagram. Follow me on Instagram. Alright, this old woman right here is going to piss me off. I did start my Twitter back up, so if anybody wants to follow me on Twitter, you can. Links will not be in the description because I'm too fucking lazy for that. Woohoo! Slid out a little bit there. Oh well. Anyways. So, as always, like, share, comment with your friends, family, hookers, and drug dealers and pimps and hoes and anybody. Dream about me, and I will catch you on the flip side. Later.